hard as you can, okay? Go, 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 go!
Hello Buccaneers, we are in Encinitas and today we will be checking out the San Diego Fermentation Festival. This is a one-day family-friendly outdoor festival celebrating fermented foods and beverages, local food and wellness. And we will be showing you how to make your own sauerkraut. First, let's go check out a presentation, followed by a culture petting zoo. Next, it's time for some free samples.
I want to try some chocolate.
We're going to taste some fermented drinks.
This tastes like sunrise.
Now it's time for the pickling workshop for kids.
We're going to use vinegar today to pickle and preserve the cucumbers and carrots and garlic. And the way pickling works is you want the pH balance, which is the amount of acid in the liquid, to be really low. And that will kill the bacteria that will make it go bad.
And we got to bring these jars home. We're grabbing some lunch. The food served here is all vegetarian. We listen to some local bands while we eat. Lastly, we're going to the do-it-yourself tent to make our own sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
First, I'm placing some salted cabbage in the mixing bowl. Next, I'm adding some apple slices and ginger, followed by some turmeric powder, juniper berries, and caraway seed. Now I'm going to mix everything together. I'm packing the ingredients into the jar. Lastly, I'm pushing the wooden packer to make everything tight.
Alright, I think you're good. I'll take that.
And now it's Brother's turn.
Yay, this is fun.
You push down as hard as you can, okay? Go, 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 go!
We just made our own sauerkraut, and we'll have to wait a week for it to ferment before we can eat it. We'll have to follow these instructions when we get home. Find out more at San Diego Fermentation Festival.com. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to look for your own adventure.
Go.
We just made our own sauerkraut, and we'll have to wait a week.